The remembrance tree started in 2009, and for a number of years we had a natural tree, and we had a bit of trouble in high wind. We had a bit of trouble pulling the ribbons up and down. So then the idea came about to create something that we could use every year. So this was created in stainless steel, and it goes up every year. On this year it went up on the end of November, and it was operational from the 1st of December. And it will go on now each day until the 23rd of December. That's Sunday the 23rd of December. And just to finish the story about the tree, there is a service of remembrance on Friday, 4th of January at the Augustinian Church at the 4 o'clock Mass. So everybody's invited to come to that. Over the period of the 23 days, we will probably have 10 to 12,000 names go on this tree. As a ribbon fills up, we will replace that with a fresh ribbon, so that we are constantly replacing the ribbons, and then, as I say, all the ribbons will be stored and they'll be kept and be spread across the altar of the Augustinian Church on the Friday, the 4th of January. So this year we have 3 charities: Cún Mhuire, as I said, the other one, Fiona's Foundation, and esophageal cancer. Those are the 3 this year. In this year now we have 23 days. We have 3 charities, so they will get their turn. On the first day we had Cún Mhuire. Yesterday we had esophageal cancer, and today we have Fiona's Foundation, and they will rotate. So each charity is getting more or less 6-7 days. It's not about collecting money. We will take any money we get, but it's really about giving people something to remember their loved ones. And certainly the stories we get, people who have recently lost a loved one, some of them very sad, some of them very sudden, but then they get great comfort when they see the name going up on the tree. Likewise, a lot of children come along and they remember grannies and various things, and we invite them to put the ribbon on the tree themselves. We show them how to do it, and that's more or less, it's really given the public this opportunity to express their grief and to put something that can be seen by the public. That's it.